All right, guys, 2019 Infiniti Q60 3.0 Turbo. There she is. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. You can tell from how clean it looks down there. Boom. There's the cats there and there. Brought his own Megan mid pipe, and we chopped it off right in the center and ran 3-inch pipe after all the way back. That's what he wanted. We gave him what he wanted. 3-inch, and then he had Megan in the back. We left those alone. And then we just cut into them right here. Because you want to keep these on. They're not mufflers. They're just J-pipes to give that clean tone without any raspiness or drone, as you guys can see right there. It's really nice, really clean 3-inch system all the way back. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's the Y pipe assembly that was on it. And there's the mid pipe that was on it too that we took off. So we cut all that off, put all 3-inch in its place. So stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Much better. Sound decibels? 108. Again? Oh, that's perfect. That's the peak. Yeah, it's got a little burble to it. Is there an S button or anything on it?
Sport? Yeah, sport mode.
We're going to put it in sport mode and see if it changes any. All right, now it's in sport mode. Let's see if it sounds different. It should barble more. Go ahead. Grab it. Again, here's sport mode. Sound decibels. 107. All right. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Here's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Thank you for bringing it down, bro. Perfect. Enjoy it.
Great work.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Infiniti Q60. Came out really nice and clean. That sounds clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Infiniti Q60 Sport. Here we go. Full 3-inch system. Cap back. Straight pipe. That sounded good. I like it. Enjoy, guys. 2018 Infiniti Q60 3.0 Turbo. What we got done on it, twin turbo actually. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it wires into a single, then wires back out. Then we did a mid resonator delete, and then a rear muffler delete there and there. And we left the factory tips out the back there and there, as you guys can see. There's the muffler that comes on. It's a big muffler, dual in, dual out. And there's the 2 resonators that were on it that we cut off also. So there's the muffler, there's the resonators. That's what it looks like after. We kept the same factory tips. They still look good, so he'll probably bring it back later on. We'll change them. Sound decibels. Again. So compare it to yours. See which sounds better, with the X pipe or with that? What do you think? coupe too. Sexy car. Here the turbos cooling up. That's nice. Infiniti Q60 2018 twin turbo. Straight pipes. All-wheel drive too. 2021 Infiniti Q60 two-door coupe. Lipstick red. I like that color. It's cool. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. Factory converter. Then we did a cat back arc system, ARK, from the cat's back, as you guys can see all the way with that X pipe. All bolt on. It fit really nice and clean, very smooth, very easy fit. No problems at all. So we really enjoyed it. It's a really well-built piece of exhaust art. And it looks like art. It's clean. Look at that. There it is. ARC catback system. Let me let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's the system that was on it that we took off. That was made by Infiniti. Had like a muffler delete by Infiniti. That's pretty cool. And there's the midsection that we cut off. Took off. I mean, unbolted. There it is. Resonators, midsection. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. And it is the Infiniti 400R. Look at that. Got special badging. Q60 400R. It's a rare car. It's 4.5 seconds, guys. That's what's so special about this thing. And I bet you it's even faster than that with all the upgrades. That's not too loud. Go ahead. Yeah, you can hear the blowout valve. Again. It's good, but not really that crazy loud. More of a commuter style. Go ahead. Right at 89. One more. Go ahead and back it up. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop. Address is 3560 Dickerson Pike. What do you guys think of that body style? I'm surprised they didn't sell a lot of these, like Infiniti was having issues selling cars. They make a really good product. It's really deep tone. Still sounds clean though. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Infiniti Q50 400R. 400 horsepower from the factory. And then he's got some nice upgrades on it. Probably raise it to about 425. And we put an ARC system on it. Catback system. Wow, it's quick. It's pretty quick. I like it. Enjoy, guys. All right, guys. 2017 Infiniti Q60 all-wheel drive. Red Sport, twin turbo, 3.0 liter. What a sexy car. He just got it and brought it right to us. It was too loud. So it had these MBRP mufflers on it. If you guys wonder what they look like on the inside, that's what they look like. There they are. Straight through design with baffles, little cut openings, as you guys can see. So took them off and replaced them with Valvetronic Designs mufflers. Universal muffler kit. All right, here we go. Let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got Megan Racing downpipes that we didn't do any of, catless. Then full MBRP cat back exhaust 3-inch into an X pipe, then back out. We readjusted everything to make everything fit seamlessly and make it a lot cleaner looking. We added a couple of sleeves here and here to make it fit just right, but it's clean. There it is. And then there's the sexy Valvetronic Design mufflers right there, universal kit. Then we wired them in, as you guys can see there, and up into the cigarette lighter in the center console. But there they are. That's the mufflers. And then we reused his tips too to make it look clean. That's a lot nicer, a lot cleaner system now. And there's the part number on them right there. That's the universal valve muffler kit times 2. They come in a single and a double. All right. Packaging was really nice, clean, no dents, nothing. Just a nice setup. Let's hear it. Stay tuned. Such a beautiful, clean car, man. Woo. D badge too, so it only has the S. That's sexy. All right, go ahead. Cold start. That's when the valve's closed. Yeah, that's cool. It'll work. It works perfectly, bro. I think you'll like it because he lives in an association and he's like, it's too loud. The association was getting on his butt about it, and his mom was also. So here's sound decibels with the valves closed. Not even 71. See it? And that's a cold start too. Wow. Give it gas. Yeah. Why? Ah, he's happy. Look at him. Again. Valves closed, guys, okay? Again, go ahead. One more. Right at 97. Again. So that was all valves closed, guys. Now, valves open. Go ahead and open the valves. So with the valves open at idle, it's at 80 now. It's right at 80 now. Let me get close, hold on. That's idle with valves open. All right, go ahead and give it gas, valves open. Sick. 120, oh really? Your sound decibel? 120 on sound decibels. Wow. You can hear the turbo spooling up. Oh yeah. Oh, it sounds phenomenal. Again? Again? Go ahead and back it out. So that was valves open, guys. So this is valves open. Go ahead. It sounds so mean. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's valves open. Now this is valves closed, guys. Go ahead. Sounds like stock. That is great. Look at this. Do that again. He doesn't believe it. Now it's stock. That's with catless, guys. Imagine that. That's crazy. So it's like a 30 decibel difference, which is insane for Valvetronics. That's why they sent us the mufflers. He said, test them on regular cars for us. We're trying to get into the market of regular cars, so everyday cars. So that's perfect. Again. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, I'm gonna let you guys hear on the inside. All right, guys, round one. Valves closed. Infiniti Q60 Red Sport, twin turbo. Full 3-inch system with Valvetronics. Valves closed. That's a good looking car, man. Sexy. Let's see how it sounds with the valves closed. And it's freezing here, guys. The car is not cold. It's just really cold. It's so quiet. That's crazy. I love it. This is with valves closed, guys. Drive by. That's clean, dude.
Sounds like a stock,
Yeah.
stock Q60.
Nothing crazy. It's just stock. Wow. There we go. That was valves closed, guys. Now he's gonna do valves open. This is valves open. What do you think?
Love it.
You love it? It's nice and quiet inside now. All right, open it. All right, valves open. Go ahead. Wow, look at his face. Wow, that sounded phenomenal.